it's time to look at the anatomical terms related to the system. Nose is structure on the face that filters and warms air entering the body. Sinus is a cavity that usually communicates with the nostrils and contains air. Tonsil is a small, rounded mass of tissue, especially lymphoid tissue. Pharynx is throat. It has 3 parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Epiglottis is a flap of cartilage that covers the windpipe while swallowing. Larynx is voice box. Vocal cords is membranous folds on either side of larynx that are important in speech production. Trachea is windpipe. Bronchus is one of the larger air passageways in the lungs. Bronchiole is one of the smaller subdivisions of the bronchial tubes. Alveolus is a tiny sac for holding air in the lungs. Lung, either of 2 sac-like respiratory organs in the chest of vertebrates to remove carbon dioxide and to provide oxygen to the blood. Lobe is a rounded subdivision of a bodily organ or part. Mediastinum is part of the thoracic cavity between the lungs. Diaphragm is the dome-shaped muscle under the lungs that separates the chest from the abdomen. It flattens during inspiration. Pleural is a double-layered membrane that covers the lungs and lines the thoracic cavity. Now, let's look at the definitions of the word parts in the system. For nose, we have nasal and rhinal. For sinus is sinusal. Tonsillar is the combining form for tonsils. Pharyngeal is pharynx. Epiglottal is epiglottis. Laryngeal is larynx. Tracheal is trachea. Bronchial is bronchial tube. Bronchiole is bronchiole. Alveolo is alveoli, air sacs. For lung, we have 2, pneumonal and pulmonal. Lobal is lobe. Phreno is diaphragm. Pleural is pleural. Thoracal is chest. Spiral means breathing. Hydro is water.